Hello, everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today, guys, we are making baked nafchatel pasta. There is a viral TikTok trend that's breaking the internet, guys. Baked feta pasta. And when I saw this recipe trending on TikTok, I knew I had to try it immediately. That's how social media gets you guys, right, guys? The whole thing seemed too simple. Obviously, roasting a block of feta and basting tomatoes, then add cooked pasta. So I came up with my own version. Instead of using feta cheese, we'll be using nafchatel cheese. So guys, let's get right into it. Nafchatel is one of my favorite cheese. It contains less fat and contains more moisture. It's slightly softer and lighter in flavor than cream cheese. Let's get started. Place the block of nafchatel in the center of the casserole. Then add gourmet medley tomatoes to a casserole dish. Add half a cup of heavy cream. Add minced garlic. If you have whole cloves, you are more than welcome to use that. Add Parmesan cheese. Add shallots. Then drizzle with olive oil and roast for 45 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the tomatoes and cheese are roasting, go ahead and start on the pasta. Cook it according to the instructions on the package and set aside. Cook your pasta when you are left with 10 minutes of roasting the tomatoes. At 45 minutes, remove the casserole out of the oven and immediately start to mash cherry tomatoes and cheese together. Now add baby spinach to give the pasta a bit of extra nutrition and color. Once the spinach is mixed in and wilted, add cooked pasta. Continue stirring until everything is incorporated. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. There you have it, guys. Baked nafchatel pasta. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, smash that like button. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.